The equation of a circle. So the equation of the circle is in the form x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared, where the centre is AB and the radius is r. You need to learn that formula for the equation of a circle. There's a diagram, centre AB, radius r. Sorts of questions you'll get will be where you need to find the centre of a circle. So for example, you'll be given 2 points of diameter. That means that I can find the centre of the circle by looking at the midpoint of these 2 points. So the midpoint, I use C1 coordinate geometry to find the midpoint. Add the x values, divide by 2, add the y values, divide by 2. And the midpoint is minus 3 over 2, 11 over 2. So I've got 2 points on the diameter. The centre will be the midpoint. I can also find the radius. Radius, of course, is a length. So if I'm finding the radius, I'm looking at a length. I'll be using Pythagoras. So if you remember you've got to find the radius, you probably need to use Pythagoras. There are 2 forms for the equation of the circle. You've got this form, but also occasionally you'll be given a circle in this form. You need to be able to switch between the 2 different forms. It's very easy to go from this form to the other one. Just multiply out the brackets and then collect the constant terms onto one side. So multiply out that bracket, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Multiply out that bracket, y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 16. And then take the 9 across and the 4 across. So you've got x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 4y is 3. So that's switching from that form to that form. You'll also be asked to switch from this form, and you'll be asked to find the centre and the radius, so you need it in the other form. And the method to remember is that you need to complete the square. Look first at the x squared plus 6x. So x squared plus 6x, I halve the x term, x plus 3 all squared. I'll get a plus 9 from there, so I need to take it away. Then look at the y part, half the y terms, so I get y minus 5 all squared. I'll get 25 from here when I multiply the bracket, so I need to take it away. And then you need to take the minus 9 across, you need to take minus 25 across, so I'll end up with 34 on the right hand side. So I get x plus 3 all squared plus y minus 5 all squared is 34. That's in the form that I need to tell me that the centre is minus 3, 5, and the radius, don't forget your square root sign, the radius is the square root of 34.